Hi kids, welcome to Elementary Maths. Me Anwar Islam from your favorite channel Lyceum. It is our goal to help kids achieve their potentials by giving them head start in maths and many other areas of education. I am an education specialist in Bangladesh. Today in this video we're gonna learn how to regroup in two-digit addition. Our little master, our Lyceum member Tasin is always with me. He is a second grader.
Hi there.
Tasin, look. Every day you get some sort of presents like chocolate, candy, sweets. Sometimes I give you, sometimes you get it from your moms. Occasionally you get it from your uncles, right?
Yep.
So what do you need to do if I ask you how many chocolates you get altogether every day?
Or add.
Good. So you need to add all the chocolates together, or you need to add the numbers together. So suppose hold the pen. Suppose we are going to add 75 chocolates with 37 chocolates. So write down 75. Cool. So we are adding 75 chocolates with 37. Any number, you can say any number.
37.
37. Good. Well, so listen. So first thing you need to know how to set up the numbers. Am I right?
Yep.
So stack the numbers up. I'm not saying anything. Stack the numbers up. 75. Then 37. Oh no! Don't be slow, Tasin. In our previous lessons, while we are discussing the place value, we learned that we need to write the numbers, we need to line up the numbers vertically, right?
Yep.
So, rub this number, 37, write it, line up this number vertically. Vertically, line up the numbers vertically. Cool, super cool. Tasin, do you know why we write the numbers vertically? You remember we told you earlier that all the ones place in a column, all the ones place line up in a column on the right, right?
Yep.
Good. So now you counter calculate the ones place. 7 plus 5.
12.
12. So write down here 12. Cool. So Tasin, you tell me, can we write this number in our ones place? This 12 number?
No.
Nowhere. You see, our ones place. The ones place is only for number less than 10. Am I right?
Yep.
So we have to change 10 ones into one group of 10, right?
Yep.
And that's why we carry, look, we carry 1 and leave the 2 in the ones place. You get it?
Yep.
That's it. You look in the number 12 again. We change 10 of ones into one group of 10, right?
Yep.
Something we call it regrouping. So when we change 10 of ones into one group of 10, we call it regrouping. What do you call it?
Regrouping.
Good, regrouping. And that's why, look, and that's why we carry 1 and leave the 2 in the ones place, right?
Yep.
So now look at me, I am explaining this thing in another way. So look at the board, Tasin. This is ones and this is tens, right? So Tasin, here you see 75. So what does it mean? 75 means 7 tens, 5 ones, right?
Yep.
So for 5 ones, we can write 5 blocks. Can you write?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5.
So for 5 ones, we can write 5 blocks, 5 individual blocks. Okay. So what can we write for 7 tens? For 7 tens, we can write 7 10 block stack, right? So one stack means, look, one stack. This is a stack, a huge stack. It contains 10 block. It contains
10 block.
10 block, and that's where 1, 2, right? 3. How many block stack I need? 7, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Am I right?
Yeah.
Good. So likewise you see 37. So what does it mean? 37 means 3 tens,
3 tens.
3 10 block stack and 7 ones. Okay.
Yeah.
So 7 individual block. So for 7 I am writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And for 3 10 block stack I am writing 3 stacks containing 10 blocks. Can I write this?
Yeah.
Good. So if I add up these things, you see. Now you count the ones. Count 1,
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
12.
So here are 12 individual blocks, right?
Yeah.
So look, in our regrouping, we learned that we need to, if you read by 10, so what happens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So in our regrouping, we learned that we need to change 10 ones into one group of 10, right?
Yeah.
So this is a 1 block stack, 1 10 block stack, right? So like this. So now you tell me where this 110 block stack will go. Where this?
There.
Good. So here you see there are 2 individual blocks are remaining in one's place, right? And this 110 block stack will go in 10's place. Am I right?
Yeah.
Thus, as we were saying, this 110 block stack will go over there, right?
Yeah.
And this 2 individual block will be in one's place, right? I am writing one's place. So this block stack will go over there. It looks like, see, it's almost like it has to get in line. So it can be added to the other digits in the tens place, right?
Yeah.
So we are calling it regrouping. So you know, in Bangladesh, the primary and elementary teachers explain this concept regrouping like using some vague and ambiguous words like keeping in pocket, keeping in hands, keeping in head. That is not only confuse the pupils but also unpedagogical and contrary to the teaching learning process. So let's come to the point, Tasin. So you see, now we count or calculate the 10 stack block. How many stack are here? 1, 2, 3. Tell me. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And this one 11.
11.
So here we have 11 10 block stack, right? We can write this 11. 1 like this. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Can I write this?
Yeah.
So here 11 means, look here 11. Okay.
Yeah.
So doesn't tell me what is we have added 75 and plus 37. So what is the sum?
1 tens 100. 112.
Good. So 75 plus 37 equals 112.
12. Thanks for watching.